Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. Check it out. Prohear, the EM037 Bluetooth hearing protector. I am so sick and tired of hearing the diesel drone of my Kubota tractor while I work. I went ahead and picked this up. Bluetooth wireless technology, so it'll hook to your phone. Stereo sound, both ears. Hands-free tuning dial, which is interesting. And it's got just a couple of simple buttons on the side there for you to work with. Aux jack is included, so you can wire it. I'm going to actually be using it today with an old-fashioned MP3 player. This is what I use. Oh, where is it? Might be sitting inside still on the charger. I call it a C-Pod. It's a generic iPod knockoff that I've had since like 2005, and it still works great. So I use that with regular earbuds, but with all that engine noise and stuff, it's just driving me crazy, especially since I'm already hard of hearing. But so it does have that, and it does have a USB charger for recharging this thing because it's, it's cordless. So let's go ahead and open it up. USB charging cables are here. Oh, and it was nice of them. They did include the aux cable so I can listen to the way I normally listen to. And here they are. Oh, pretty nice, right? Man. All right, so let me just put them on and let's see how well they dampen the sound. Hello. Oh yeah. Okay, so they do really act as good ear muffs, earplugs, and very happy with that. All right, awesome. Well, I guess what I'm going to do right now is go out and mow, and I'll let you know if they work well. Let's do it. Yeah. So 2 hours of mowing later, and the batteries lasted the full 2 hours. I was able to listen to music and keep the drone of the diesel engine down. So overall, I like it. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these, and I'll see you next time. Take care.